your donkey's down. Come on, donkey, fine. All right, it's not like that, it's not like that. Strange thing is, on the count of three, strange thing is, on the count of three, that donkey's turned into a horse in the Grand National. You will not fall off your horse. Your chair legs are stuck to the floor. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! And around the starters, always on the up. And on to the first furlong, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Newcastle in the lead. Newcastle's in the lead. We've got Newcastle in the lead. You're about ready to take the first fence. Are you ready? You're up, baby, over that first fence. Next fence is a bigger fence. Next fence is a bigger fence. Jesus, that was a big fence. One furlong to go. In actual fact, your horse is in the lead. Turn round and show the jockey behind what you think. You're in the lead. Turn round and... Hey, Mom's getting angry. Faster, faster. 1, 2, 3, wide away.